run up the ramp?
You don't run, it's just kind of walk backwards. Yeah. He'll tell you to. It's a lot to take in.
Have fun.
So we tell you guys what to do everywhere.
It's been nice knowing you.
Alright, Jill, any last words?
I love you.
Nope. Nothing to say to the family?
See you on the other side.
See you on the other side. Yeah, all the way to the bottom, okay? Alright, nice and slow down. And a big step at the bottom, Jill.
Go, Jill!
Good job, big step. Woo!
Go!
Hands free, look at her.
Samantha, right?
She's pretty brave.
Oops, sorry about that. There we go. You ready, Sam? Nice and slow down to the bottom, and big step at the bottom.
Have fun.
Go, girl. There you go.
There she goes.
Hands free. No, not yet.
She's all right. You did it.
Okay, Sharon.
Oh, God.
All right, come on up, Sharon. You're a little nervous?
Yeah.
You'll be just fine.
You got a moderator.
Oh, really? That's pretty cool. Still gives you a little sense. All right. Right here for me, Sharon? Alright, Sharon, nice and slow, and a big step at the bottom. Woo! Good job.